We're looking at the Benchmade Bug Out 535 pocket knife. Comes in a cool little carry case and a little sock. Let's get it out. Let's have a quick look. A couple of things I do like about this knife is this one particular, we've got carbon fibre on this. You can change the handles as well. You can see those little screws, so you've got different handles that you can attach or make as well. It's got a nice smooth opening. Once it's open, it's quite well stable. It's locked nice and solid. It's never going to move. This one here I only got the other day. I just spent the afternoon undoing boxes with it. It's held its edge quite well as well, so that's fantastic. Just another feature they've put on here, this little clip, your little carry clip, you can put it on the other side as well. So that's a feature that's quite cool. And let's have a look. It releases in, tucks away nice neatly. If weight is an issue, this is another fantastic option that they've done with the carbon fibre. So this makes it a nice, clean, light, useful knife.